Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the new, portable 13-inch benchtop planer. Delivering the power and efficiency woodworkers demand in their shop, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer produces a smooth and consistent cut surface thanks to its powerful 2-horsepower 15-amp motor and helical style cutter head design with 6 rows of 26 individual quick change inserts. The robust construction features a precision machined cast iron bed and steel cover to keep boards flat and reduce snipe. The Jet 13-inch benchtop planer features dual infeed controls with speeds of 18 or 26 feet per minute and is capable of removing up to 1/8 inch of material with each pass. Accurate, repeatable cuts are easily set up and performed with the intuitive depth stop. The folding, adjustable infeed, outfeed tables help support larger workpieces, and convenient side handles make moving the planer around the job site or shop easy and convenient. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer is CSA certified and is proudly backed by Jet's 3-year warranty. Visit jettools.com to learn more and locate a dealer near you.